Alright, so today I'm with
Paige.
Paige. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So you are Aussie.
Yeah.
Okay. So first question, what food do you like most?
Do you mean like cuisine or specific food?
Cuisine.
Cuisine. I'm a big fan of Italian food, I have to say. I love Italian food.
Many people answer the same. Mm-hmm. So like a pasta? Or...
Yeah, pasta, pizza, all that kind of stuff. At the moment I'm saving up because I'm going to Europe at the end of the year for a couple months. So
nice. Okay. Do you think eye contact matters?
I don't know. I'm really awkward with eye contact. Like I'm so awkward with eye contact. But it's nice when you're like speaking to someone to have eye contact with them. Making eye contact, yeah. Other than that, I'm really extroverted. But making eye contact, I don't know. I'm just a little bit like.
Okay. Some people say if you really like the guy, so you can't really make eye contact. Mm-hmm. But if you don't care the person, you can make eye contact. Is that true or not?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. So in my country, making eye contact is considered as a like disrespectful behavior because people feel pressure. Do you feel pressure?
Yeah, it's a bit awkward.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah. When you're like speaking, I look away, and then when you're speaking, I look at you.
Okay.
And then when you're speaking, you look away, and then when I'm speaking, you look. Like that's how I do it.
So eye contact matters, but not too long,
Yeah.
right?
Not too creepy, but like it matters to be polite, you know?
In my country, making eye contact is kind of rude and disrespectful.
Really? See, if I'm making eye contact with you now, is it rude and disrespectful?
You need to see somewhere like
So we talk to you like this. Hi, friend.
yes,
Hi, friend. Somewhere around there.
somewhere maybe blah. Yeah. So,
That's why you look at the boobs, not the eyes.
yeah. Can't really make eye contact like more than 3 seconds for sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it disrespectful?
Because I give you too much pressure for you.
Oh.
It's a different culture. Hey, I'm with
Alicia,
Arisha. Nice to meet you.
you too.
Where are you from?
Ireland.
Okay.
I love summer. I love
Okay.
the sun.
That's why your skin's burning now. Yes. Do you think eye contact matters?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. That's a big one. If you're not looking at someone, it just feels like they're not interested.
Oh, okay. So if you like someone, can you make eye contact?
Yeah,
So guys should make eye contact.
definitely. Yeah. No, I think eye contact's important.
Important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. It's a company.
Okay. Cannot really see. Maybe because the hat. Can you just take off a little bit? 5 seconds. So in Japan, making eye contact is considered as a disrespectful behaviors.
Okay. In France, it's like very nice. Like it means you like the person, attracted to the person.
Okay.
Yeah. When you don't look at people in France, it means you're not interested about themselves. You know.
Okay.
Sometimes.
You as well. If you like a guy, do you make eye contact?
Yes, but I'm a bit shy, so sometimes I don't do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your eyes so beautiful.
Thank you.
Can I be closer later?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, if you want, you can.
Can you make eye contact?
Yeah, of course.
Talaqueado, perfume arrebatado. Dice que quiere tenerme a su lado. Y yo con ganas de verlo vacío pa' dejarlo oficial y decirle chao chao. Un chulo como tú, así como me gusta.
I'm awkward and shy, so I don't really make eye contact.
So are you a shy person?
Yes.
Eye contact, 5 seconds here. Okay? Don't be nervous. Do you mind if we take a hat? Cap?
Yeah.
Alright, because it's dark. Okay, 5 seconds. Does eye contact really matter?
Yes.
Yes?
For me, yes.
Yes.
Es muy importante el contacto.
Eye contact. See, but not only the eye contact. No.
because sometimes eye contact is gonna be more like, oh my god, what is it?
Why are you watching me?
Yeah. Like, so yes, it's important, but like connection,
Yeah.
not only the eye contact.
If you are meeting,
Because if it's only the eye contact, it's like, what,
yeah, but if you are meeting
what you want.
a new person, you like this person,
Oh,
for
yeah.
me it's important in that moment, the eye contact.
Can you make eye contact here in 5 seconds?
Uy, por favor, ya.
Alright? 5 seconds, okay?